Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the Huawei Watch Fit 4, a sleek and lightweight smartwatch that upgrades your daily routine with a sharper AMOLED display, enhanced health and fitness tracking, and a noticeably longer battery life. It keeps the signature comfort of the Fit series while adding smarter features for workouts, wellness, and everyday convenience. Built to keep up with your everyday life, simply, seamlessly, and smarter than ever. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Charging cradle with the charging cable. Documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 features a sleek aluminum alloy case with a durable polymer back and fluoroelastomer or nylon straps. Its 1.82-inch AMOLED always-on display is bright and sharp, all in a lightweight 43 by 38 millimeter design weighing just 27 grams. Powered by an efficient chipset, it supports onboard storage for workouts, watch faces, and health data. Sensors include heart rate, SpO2, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, barometer, and ambient light. Health features cover heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, menstrual cycle tracking, and overall wellness. Durable and water-resistant at 5 ATM, it has a 400 mAh battery, lasting up to 10 days of typical use, 7 days normal, and 4 days with always-on display. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and Android/iOS support. Navigation is via touchscreen and side button, with audio support for Bluetooth calls and quick replies. With 100-plus workout modes, customizable watch faces, a slim modern design, and multiple colors, including gray, pink, black, and nylon straps, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 combines fitness, wellness, and style in one smartwatch. Product features. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 features a sleek aluminum alloy case with a durable polymer back, paired with fluoroelastomer or nylon straps in multiple colors. Its compact 43 by 38 millimeters, 27-gram design makes it comfortable for all-day wear, combining style and functionality for workouts, outdoor activities, and everyday use. It has a 1.82-inch AMOLED always-on display with 480 by 408 resolution and up to 2000 nits brightness. The vibrant, clear screen and responsive touchscreen allow quick access to apps, notifications, and fitness stats, while the always-on feature ensures essential information is visible at a glance. Equipped with heart rate, SpO2, sleep, stress, and menstrual cycle tracking, the Watch Fit 4 provides comprehensive wellness monitoring. With over 100 workout modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and yoga, it helps track performance, set goals, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and Android and iOS compatibility, with audio support for calls and quick replies. Its 400 mAh battery lasts up to 10 days of typical use, 4 days with always-on display, and the 5 ATM water resistance makes it suitable for swimming and everyday activities. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 combines sleek design with intuitive functionality. Navigation is effortless using the up and down buttons, while the responsive touchscreen adds smooth interaction. On the back, a high-precision heart rate sensor continuously monitors your health, complemented by a convenient charging area for fast power-ups, built-in speaker and microphone support calls and voice commands, and quick-release buttons make strap changes simple. Every feature is thoughtfully integrated, delivering seamless performance, style, and convenience in one modern smartwatch. Operating the Huawei Watch Fit 4 is simple and intuitive. Wake the screen with a button press or wrist raise, tap and swipe to navigate, and long press to change watch faces or manage cards. Swipe up for notifications, swipe down for quick settings, and use the side button to jump into apps instantly. And for faster control, just press the up and down buttons together to take a screenshot in seconds. How to pair. Power on your Huawei Watch Fit 4. Select your language and keep it close to your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then install and open the Huawei Health app so your phone is ready to search for the watch. In the Huawei Health app, go to Devices and tap Add, then Smartwatch, and choose Watch Fit 4 from the list. When the watch appears, tap to connect and confirm the Bluetooth pairing on both devices. This completes the setup and starts syncing your data. How to charge? Place the Huawei Watch Fit 4 on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back of the watch aligns correctly with the charger. Connect the dock to a power adapter, and the watch will automatically begin charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold the side button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the watch turns off and the Huawei logo appears. This forces a restart but does not erase data unless a factory reset is selected in settings. Resetting your watch will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your data is synced and backed up through the Huawei Health app. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 features a sleek, lightweight rectangular design with a premium finish that feels refined on the wrist. The Amazfit Bip 6, on the other hand, has a larger, more straightforward plastic build, still lightweight, but more utilitarian and budget-focused compared to the more polished Fit 4. Display and sizes. The Watch Fit 4 uses a bright 1.82-inch AMOLED display with sharp resolution for crisp visuals. The Amazfit Bip 6 offers an even larger 1.96-inch AMOLED panel, giving you more screen real estate, though with a slightly lower pixel density. Both screens are vibrant, but the Fit 4 leans more toward sharpness, while the Bip 6 prioritizes size. Battery and storage. Huawei Watch Fit 4 typically lasts 7 to 10 days, depending on usage, supporting wireless charging for added convenience. The Amazfit Bip 6 delivers a longer-lasting battery, reaching up to 14 days on typical use, making it better for users who prefer fewer charging cycles. While both handle fitness and daily tasks well, the Fit 4 offers a more polished interface and richer sensor suite, while the Bip 6 focuses on endurance and efficiency. Pros and cons. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 combines a sleek, lightweight design with a bright AMOLED display and comprehensive fitness tracking, making it a versatile companion for daily use. With up to 10 days of battery life, it keeps you powered through your routines. However, its smartwatch features are somewhat limited, with a closed app ecosystem and fewer third-party apps compared to premium smartwatches. Still, for fitness and style at a reasonable price, it's a strong choice. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.